my pub. I'm thrilled to have joined Learning Disability Wales as the Gig Buddies Ambassador for North Wales. Diolch yn fawr iawn to the National Lottery Community Fund for funding my role. I will be talking to people about how Gig Buddies Cymru helps adults with learning disability and autism to lead active social lives. This includes groups, arts organisations and sports clubs, helping Gig Buddies to plan social events. I'll also be promoting Gig Buddies at gigs, conferences, speaking to the media and helping people with a learning disability to enjoy their right to stay up late. If you would like me to talk to your group or promote Gig Buddies at your venue or organisation, you can contact me at gigbuddies@ldw.org.uk. Outside of work, I love spending time with family and friends, photography, swimming and arts and crafts, gaming, travelling and my favourite coffee shops. I am originally from Somerset but now live on the beautiful Ynys I have a learning disability called partial agenesis of the corpus callosum, which can also be referred to as a brain injury, since it relates to a part of the brain structure connecting the two hemispheres, which is missing. I will never allow this to define who I am as a person, prevent me from reaching my goals and living my life to the full. I have triumphed over many obstacles, but also gained a lot of lived experience. We're always looking for new Gig Buddy volunteers across North Wales. Get in touch to find out more. Phone 02920 681160 or email gigbuddies@ldw.org.uk.